today I want to talk about the diet after the diet. So what does that mean? Whenever you've gone through your priming, your diet before the diet, then you've successfully completed your diet. Maybe that took a year because dieting takes time and that's how we keep it off long term. But now we're done with our diet. So what happens now? Do we go back to eating regular and how we did before the diet? No, we have to reverse out of that. So wherever you're at, you are in a totally different place from where you started. So we'll have a new maintenance calories at that lower weight. So we need to figure what those maintenance calories will be and slowly reverse you out of that diet to where you're no longer in a deficit and we've put on minimal gain through that reverse. You may gain a couple pounds if you're consistent and adherent to the plan that you set or your coach sets for you. So this diet after the diet is very, very important because we see all the time that people will go through a diet and lose weight and then you see them maybe like 3, 4, 5 months later and they've gained their weight back. That's because they didn't reverse out of that diet. It doesn't matter what kind of diet you're doing. It can be any kind. Keto, paleo, tracking macros, whatever it is, every single diet that's putting you in a deficit, because we know that that's the only way to lose fat is a calorie deficit no matter what diet you're doing, has to be reversed out of for you to be successful and maintain that weight that you've gotten down to. So reach out to me if you need help with this. And again, I have a video to teach you how to figure your maintenance calories. Remember that your new weight is gonna have a different maintenance calories than your old heavier weight. So make sure you figure those maintenance calories correctly. Have an accountability coach, have someone there walking you through the process, but make sure no matter what diet you're doing, you're reversing out of that diet to get you at a healthy level of calories that your metabolism can adapt to and you can maintain that weight for long term and have that long-term success and weight loss that you want. Please reach out to me. I would love to have you on my team if you're interested in one-on-one coaching.